Hey profitable creators, Molly here, and in this video I'm actually going to take a break from my regularly scheduled program talking about courses and talking about how to build your audience, and I'm going to do what's called the Get to Know Me tag video. So I'm going to answer a bunch of questions so that you guys can get to know me from a more personal level. I've never done this before, so it might be awkward, it might be cool, it might be stupid. I don't know. You can let me know in the comments below. But if you're excited or at least intrigued by this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you want to learn more about me and also learn how you can create your own profitable online course and how you can grow your own following online, then be sure to subscribe to my channel because that's what I put out videos about every single Tuesday. All right, so the very first question is, what is my middle name? I'm pretty sure I put my middle name on my Facebook profile. Let's see. I do. My middle name is Marie. So if you want to be friends with me on Facebook, I'm Molly Marie Keyser, Keyser. So yeah, that's my middle name, Marie. I bet you like 90% of everyone who will watch this video's middle name is Marie. So let's start a Marie train below. Go ahead and comment and say me if your middle name is also Marie. Unique middle namers unite. Okay, so the next question is, what was my favorite subject in high school? So I'm pretty sure high school was like 15 years ago. I don't know how long ago. All right, so at the time I'm recording this video, it's 2021, and I graduated in 2005, 16 years ago. So it was a while ago. But anyways, my favorite subjects, I would say would be easily my number one favorite subject would be art. I remember I used to convince my teachers to give me slips to get out, or no, I used to convince my art teacher to write me a slip saying that like I needed to finish my art projects so that I could get out of my other classes because they just were not interesting to me. So I studied, I did a lot of photography and film photography in high school. I think I was the last class at my school to be able to do film photography. But anyways, I love that. And then my second favorite subject was band. I actually played trumpet and I was first chair. I know, applause, hold the applause. But I really loved band. I was in jazz band and all of that cool stuff. My least favorite subjects were easily math, and math. Okay, next question is, what is my favorite drink? So this is like an unpretty version of it that I just made myself at home. But I always get at Starbucks, I get an unsweetened iced passion tea with 2 stevia. Oh wait, a venti. A venti size. I try not to go to Starbucks too much because we have a locally owned coffee shop here that I really, really love to go to. So it's very rare that I actually go to Starbucks anymore. I always try to go and spend my money there. And there I always get their white peach tea. I get it iced, unsweetened with stevia. Same thing. But yeah, the local coffee shop that I go to here in Albuquerque is super, super cool. And the girl who owns it started it when she was only 16 years old. And she started it out of a VW bus. And she started serving coffee to people on filming locations because they film shows like Breaking Bad, Better Call Saul, and different shows here in Albuquerque. So it's just a cool story, and I really like to support local. So there's my local drink and my Starbucks drink. And then I actually bought... I think it's like Tazo, or I think I'm saying that wrong, but passion tea, and I actually just steep my own and then I put it with ice and stevia. So there you go. Things you didn't ask about, but now you're learning. What is your favorite song at the moment? I feel like I'm somebody who likes cool music and then also really likes really uncool music. My ultimate favorite song of all time is Sir Duke by Stevie Wonder, like hands down, like my favorite song of all time. Like that song could take me out of any bad mood. I love it. But my favorite song right now here in this moment, let me just waste time as I'm trying to bring this up on Spotify. It's not a band that I normally listen to, but I really like this song. So anyways, the song is called High Hopes by Panic at the Disco. I know, insert your laughter here. But I really like it. It's just like really motivating and uplifting, and it gets my energy going. I like to play it before I do like a training video or like while I'm on a bike ride or something like that. It's just like super uplifting and happy and empowering, and I love it. Okay, the next question is, what would I name my children? Or what have I named my children? Okay, so I don't currently have kids. But I'm not gonna lie, Aaron and I do have, I know like many of you are gonna be like extremely shocked, I feel like. the fact that we have this, but Aaron and I do have a list of baby names. I might regret telling everyone because I don't know, what if we have a baby and then somebody steals my baby name? Oh my gosh. What show is that from where somebody steals her baby name? Oh, Sex and the City. Yeah. Shayla. You can't steal Charlotte's baby name, Shayla. Okay, anyways. Baby names for someday. Agnes. That was my great grandmother's name. Theodore. So cute. Edwin. Osa. Oso, Ruth, Amelia, Rosalind, and Emma. So Aaron and I don't know, I feel like we kind of like old school names, but they're so cute. I love these names. Let me know what your favorite is below. All right, have I ever participated in any sports? I don't play sports ball often. When I was in high school, I joined the basketball team because all my friends were in it and they needed another player in order to have enough people to be a team. So I was like, you know what, I'll do it. It was the best fitness of my life. I was in the best shape of my life for sure. I enjoyed that. I liked hanging out with my friends. But I mean, like, not to put myself down or anything, but like, let's just say sports are not my gift in life. Yeah, my parents can attest to going to watch one of my basketball games and I got hit in the back of the head with a basketball because somebody on my team was trying to pass me a ball, but I was too busy blocking when we were on offense. Yeah, I'm not good at sports ball, okay? Like, yeah, just don't come at me. Okay, what is your favorite book? So I have a lot of favorite business books. I would say my favorite business book is How to Win Friends and Influence People, for sure. My favorite book of all time so far would probably be the book Wild. The movie, horrible, but the book was awesome. I've probably read it like 6 times. It's super inspiring. If you like hiking, you'll really like it. So yeah. All right, what is my favorite color? My favorite color is easily mustard yellow. This does not look very mustardy on this video, but mustard yellow is my favorite color. And in fact, which side do I move to? My dining room chairs are even mustard yellow. I used to have mustard yellow high top Chuck Taylors in high school. I would definitely buy those again. But yeah, I love mustard yellow for sure. What is your favorite animal? My dog Franklin, obviously. I was just looking to see if he's in here. Okay, so this is my dog Franklin. Franklin! He's so cute. He's my baby. Aaron and I adopted him like 5 years ago. So I think he's 6 now. And they told us he was a Springer Spaniel. He's definitely a Russell Terrier. We think, well, we did the DNA test from Amazon. We think he's a Russell Terrier Lab mix. So yeah, meet my baby Franklin. He's my favorite animal in the whole world. You're so cute. You're so cute. Okay, so the next question is, what is my favorite perfume? So I was recently in Sedona, Arizona with a friend, and I bought this. It's called Black Opium, which sounds like a crazy drug. But anyways, I bought this, and it's just essential oil. Oh my God, it smells so good. Like, I wish you could smell this through the video, but I put this on every single day and I'm obsessed with it. I don't know if you can see the label, but that is it. Black Opium from El Khan Bazaar. I don't know. I have their card though, and I'm definitely going to buy this again when it runs out for sure. Okay, next question is, what is my favorite holiday? I'll be honest, I'm kind of a weirdo that, like, I like holidays, but I also don't because they interrupt, like, my schedule. I don't know. I just like my life the way that it is. But I will say my absolute favorite holiday is hands down Halloween. I love dressing up. I love costumes. It's always been my favorite holiday. So, yeah, Halloween for sure. Okay, next question is, have you ever been out of the country? Yes, I have been to 26 countries in the last decade. I absolutely love traveling, and that doesn't even include like all the places that myself and my husband have been within the US. But yeah, I've been, I don't know, I'll name a few. I've been to Turkey, I've been to Greece, I've been to Czech Republic, I've been to Hungary, I've been to France, I've been to Germany, I've been to Britain, I've been to the Caribbean many times, Costa Rica. I know Hawaii's part of the US, but I don't know. It's still you know, cool. Anyways, Hawaii. Technically, I went fishing in Canada on accident once. That's kind of a long story. I don't know. Those are just a few different places. Do you speak any other languages? Sadly, no. I'm embarrassed to admit that, but I am always trying to learn Spanish. Okay, next question is, do I have any siblings? Yes, I have a brother, Tony, who is 2 years younger than me. I have a brother, Caden, who is 7 years younger than me. And then I have 2 stepsisters, Kelly, who's a year younger than me, and Melissa, who is years younger than me. She's older than Caden. Okay, yeah. Melissa, don't hate me. Bye. Next question is, what is my favorite store? Aaron and I always joke that our favorite store is Eddie Bauer. So come on in here, babe.
Oh, okay.
So tell them why we love Eddie Bauer.
Oh my gosh, every time you go, there's a sale. It's always 40% off.
Hi, Franklin. He was in the last shot when I had to talk about my favorite animal.
Oh no.
Did you win, Eddie Bauer we always text each other like, oh my god, they're having a 40% off sale. But it's a joke because they're literally always having a 40% off sale. So anyways, I don't think that's my favorite store, though. I don't really have a favorite store to buy. Okay, next question is, what is my favorite restaurant? There is a Thai restaurant in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. I used to live there. Aaron and I had one of our first dates there, which is cute. So we've been going there. I mean, we've been together now, what, babe? Like 14 years? So, like, we've been going there for a really long time. But anyways, first it was called Pad Thai, then it was called Singhan, now it's called Thai Orchid. I don't know, they like to change their name a lot, but anyways, it's the best restaurant. If you ever find yourself randomly in Eau Claire, Wisconsin, cannot recommend it more highly. Okay, next question is, did you like school? Yeah, I actually loved high school. I had a lot of fun. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Like, I wouldn't say that I necessarily liked the school part of high school. But I had a lot of fun in high school, and I also just love learning all the time. I will say I'm less of like a structured, formal learning person. I really prefer to learn through like online courses, hence why I'm really passionate about online courses. But yeah, I mean, I've invested over $200,000 of my own money into online courses and like furthering my education. So yes, I definitely like learning. All right, who are some of my favorite YouTubers? I don't know that I'm like super into like the YouTube circuit, but I will say that a couple people that I watch their videos and I really like would be Louise Henry. Really love her channel. She actually inspired me to, I already had a YouTube technically, but I wasn't really doing a lot with it. She really inspired me to be consistent with it. So thank you, Louise. I'm also really loving Alex Hormozzi's podcast. He shares a lot of really insightful, helpful tips on there. And I'm also really loving Sunny Lenarduzzi's YouTube channel as well. It's really good. Last person I'll say is Natalie Ellis. She just started her YouTube like a month or two ago. It's already exploded, and I learned a lot of great stuff on there too. So thanks, guys. Okay, next question is, what is my favorite movie? I just asked Aaron, and he said Princess Bride, duh, which is really the more accurate answer. And I said Sex and the City 1, Sex and the City 2, Sex and the City 3. But yeah, it would definitely probably be Princess Bride. I do also really like When Harry Met Sally. Okay, next question is PC or Mac? Obviously Mac, hands down. If you don't have an iPhone, are you really living? Just kidding. No, Aaron and I used to be big PC people. He actually built me my first PC computer for my business. But I really like iMovie, and like, I don't know, my Mac is just great. I've had it forever. It just works. Never had issues. I don't know. I love it. Personally, I've never had any any smartphone other than my iPhone. Pretty sure I had the first iPhone ever, right?
Yep.
That came out? Yeah, I don't know.
You had the iPhone 3G.
iPhone 3G was my first iPhone, I guess. Anyways, I don't know. I'm obsessed. I love my iPhone. When people hand me their Android, I'm like, I does not compute. I do not know how to use this. Next question is, how tall am I? The overall answer of that would be short, but technically I'm 5'5" short. Okay, next question is, do I have any pets? Which I already answered during my what's my favorite animal answer. So Franklin is our baby puppy boy. Aaron, I think we should do a montage of all the names that we call Franklin. Okay. So Franklin.
Snuggle Snoot.
Frankenstein.
Nugs.
Wigglebutt.
Snuggle Nugs.
Nugget.
Cuddle Monster.
Baby boy.
Snoot Toots.
Prince.
Ooh.
I call him Princess too.
Nugget.
My little baby boy Wigglebutt.
And he's gone.
I don't know. We have a million names for him. I don't know. His original name when we adopted him was Nelson, and he had a camouflage dog collar on, but we went ahead and said no to that really quickly. So yeah, anyways, this is the end of the get to know me tag video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is not my usual content, but I thought for my birthday week it would be fun to do a video like this. So let me know in the comments below, did you like it? Did you not like it? Would you like to learn more about me? Would you like the videos to be more personal, or do you just like the getting down to business type of content that I normally put out? So be sure to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I will read every single one, and I'll see you in the next video.